Hi students, welcome to today's session. In last class already we discussed about cross product of two vectors. In the cross product of two vectors we discussed the exercise 10.4. Now in this session you have to discuss remaining problems of exercise 10.4. Find the area of a triangle with the points A of 1, 1, 1, B of 1, 2, 3, C of 2, 3, 1. So now area of a triangle formula is area of a that is 1 by 2 into magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. Now area of a triangle equal to 1 by 2 magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. Now I want to find AB bar. Therefore AB bar equal to OB bar minus OA bar. OB bar is that is I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap. So OA bar is minus I cap minus J cap minus K cap. I cap gets cancelled. 2J cap minus J cap is J cap. 3K cap minus K cap is plus 2K cap. This is AB bar. Next AC bar. AC bar equal to OC bar minus OA bar. So what is OC bar? That is 2I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap minus OA bar is I cap minus J cap minus K cap. That is 2I minus I is 2I minus I is I cap. 3J minus J is 2J cap. Okay. That is 2I minus I is plus I, 3J minus J is plus 2J plus K minus K gets cancelled. Now, so what is the area of a triangle? 1 by 2 magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. Now, first you have to find magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. So, AB bar cross AC bar is that is determinant of I, J, K. First you have to find AB bar cross AC bar. AB bar cross AC bar equal to I, J, K. That is AB bar is 0, 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 0. Now we have to expand this, okay, by using first row I into 1 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4 minus J into that is minus J into 0 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 0 minus 2 plus K into that is 2 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, 0 minus 1 that is minus 4I minus into minus plus 2J minus K. This is AB bar cross AC bar. Now I want to find magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. That is square root of 16 plus 4 plus 1. That is 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. That is square root of 21. Now area of a triangle equal to 1 by 2 magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. That is 1 by 2 magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar is square root of 21. That is square root of 21 divided by 2 square units. This is a solution for area of a triangle when vertices is given. Okay. Observe once again, we have to find the area of a triangle with the points A of 1, 1, 1, B of 1, 2, 3, C of 2, 3, 1. So what is the area of a triangle formula is 1 by 2 magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. Now these are the position vectors. So now that is AB bar equal to OB bar minus OA bar. AC bar equal to OC bar minus OA bar. Now I want to find first AB bar cross AC bar, that is minus 4I plus 2J minus K. Magnitude of this is square root of 21. This 21 substitute in our formula, we will get square root of 21 divided by 2 square units. We will move on next problem. Next we will move on. Next problem, find the area of a parallelogram A bar equal to whose adjacent sides are A bar equal to 3i cap plus j cap plus 4k cap. So B bar equal to I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Now I have to find magnitude of A. First we have to find magnitude of A bar cross B bar. That is, first I have to find A bar cross B bar equal to I j k. That is, A bar coefficients are 3, 1, 4. B bar coefficients are 1, minus 1, 1. That is I into 1 ones are 1. Minus into plus, minus, and again minus will come here. That is plus. 4 ones are 4. Minus j into, that is I have to take this row and this column should be common. 3 ones are 3. 4 ones are 4. Minus 4. Plus k into, that is 3 ones are minus 3, 1 ones are 1. So that is 4 plus 1 is 5 I cap minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 plus k minus 4. So that is 5 I cap minus into minus plus j cap minus 4k cap. This is A bar cross B bar. Now I have to find area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram formula is, that is magnitude of A bar cross B bar. That is A bar cross B bar is 5i cap plus j cap minus 4k cap. Now I have to find magnitude of A bar cross B bar. That is magnitude of A bar cross B bar equal to square root of 25 plus 1 plus 16. That is 25 plus, that is 25 plus 6 is 26. 26 plus 16 is 42. Okay, that is square root of 42. That is magnitude of A bar cross B bar is square root of 42. When area will come, we have to put the SI unit, that is square units. Okay, this is the this problem is very very important for 3 marks. Okay, so this is the solution for area of a parallelogram. Okay, remember students, area of a triangle formula is 1 by 2. When small a bar small b bar is given, 1 by 2 magnitude of A bar cross B bar. When points is given, so 1 by 2 magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. And one more, next very very important problem. This is very very important for 3 marks. Here, if A bar is a unit vector, A bar makes an angle pi by 3 with I component, pi by 4 with j component, theta with k component. I have to find theta here, and again I have to find components of A bar. Now first I have to assume A bar equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap. Now they are telling A bar is a unit vector. A bar is a unit vector means magnitude of A bar is 1. That is cos pi by 3 in this is I component, this is J component, this is K component. This is direct line segment L, and again from I to, so I mean this is cos pi by 3, and again this is cos pi by 3, and this is cos pi by 4, and this is theta. Okay, now that is cos pi by 3 equal to A1 divided by magnitude of A bar. That is magnitude of A bar is 1. Therefore, A1 equal to cos pi by 3. That is A1 equal to cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Okay. And again come to another one, pi by 4 with J cap. So J cap coefficient is A2. That is similarly cos pi by 4 equal to A2 divided by magnitude of A bar. That is cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. That is A2 as it is, magnitude of A bar is 1. And again theta with K cap. That is cos theta equal to A3 divided by magnitude of A bar. Therefore, cos theta equal to A3. Now, magnitude of A bar equal to 1. What is A bar? That is square root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square equal to 1. What is A1? Square root of 1 by 2 whole square plus A2 square is 1 by root 2 whole square plus cos square theta equal to 1. So that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square theta equal to 1. When squaring on both sides, it eliminates square root. That is 1 by cos square theta equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. That is cos square theta equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. Here LCM is 4. 4 is the LCM. 4 minus 1, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is 2 ones are 2 twos are minus 2. That is cos square theta equal to minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 by 4. Therefore, cos theta equal to square root of 1 by 4. Okay. Therefore, cos pi by 4 Therefore, cos theta is equal to square root of 1 by 4. Therefore, cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2. Theta equals to pi by 3. Okay. Therefore, cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Theta equals here pi by 3. Next, A bar equal to A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap. A bar equals to A1. What is A1 value? A2. Okay. What is A2 value is, sorry, A1 value is 1 by 2 I cap. What is A2 value is 1 by root 2 J cap. What is A3? A3 is what? Cos theta. What is cos theta value? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 K cap. This is the solution for, exercise problem number 3. So once again observe here, if A bar is a unit vector, A bar makes an angle pi by 3 with I, pi by 4 with J, theta with K. We have to find theta, we have to find components of A bar. That is a bar equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap. Magnitude of a bar equal to 1. That is cos pi by 3 equal to a1 divided by magnitude of a bar. Therefore, a1 equals to cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 4 equal to a2 divided by magnitude of a bar. That is 1 by root 2 equals to a2. Therefore, cos theta equal to a3 divided by magnitude of a bar. Therefore, cos theta equals to a3. Next, magnitude of a bar equal to 1. Square root of a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square equal to 1. Substitute a1, a2, a3 and simplify. You will get cos square theta equals to 1 by 4. Cos theta equal to 1 by 2. Theta equals to cos inverse 1 by 2. Theta equals to pi by 3. And again, so already we find the theta and you have to find the components of a bar. A bar equals to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap. So a1 is 1 by 2 I plus 1 by root 2 j plus 1 by 2 k. We'll move on. Show that, so I mean we'll move on next problem. Show that a bar minus b bar cross b bar equals to 2 times of a bar cross b bar. Now you have to take LHS, you have to prove RHS. LHS equal to a bar minus b bar cross a bar cross b bar. That is a bar cross a bar. A bar cross a bar into a bar, like that. A bar cross a bar. Next, plus into plus is plus a bar cross, see, a to a bar to a bar to b bar, b bar to a bar, b bar to b bar, like that. A bar to a bar, take the cross product of a bar to a bar to b bar. So a bar cross b bar, minus into plus minus b bar cross a bar. So minus into plus is minus b bar cross b bar. A bar, I mean already I told, I cross I is what? 0. J cross J is what? 0. K cross K is what? 0. A bar cross a bar is what? This value is 0. B bar cross b bar is what? This value is 0. What is the remaining? A bar cross b bar. When b bar cross a bar is there, when you will write reverse of this, when you write reverse of this, that is plus, it becomes plus. B becomes what? A becomes what? B. Therefore, a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar plus a bar cross b bar is 2 times of a bar cross b bar. This is the answer for fourth problem. Next, we'll move on. Next problem, find lambda and mu if 2i cap plus 6j cap minus 27k cap cross I plus lambda j plus mu k cap equals to 0. So now this one I will consider as a bar, this one I will consider as b bar. A bar cross b bar is a form of determinant, okay, that is determinant of I, j, k. That is, so what is the coefficients? 2, 6, 27, okay. Next, here what is the coefficients? 1 lambda mu equals to 0 vector. 0 vector is nothing but of 0 only. That is I into 6 into mu, 6 mu minus 27 into lambda, 27 lambda minus j into 2 into mu 2 mu 27 into 1 minus 27 plus k into 2 into lambda 2 lambda 6 into 1 6 equals to 0 vector can be written as 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap is nothing but 0 only. Now I have to equate the coefficients. So equate in the I coefficients, equate in the j coefficients, equate in the k coefficients. Now I will equate j coefficient and k coefficient. Your wish, you have to equate any coefficient, you will get the same value. Now I have to equate j coefficient and k coefficients. That is 2 mu minus 27 of j equals to 0 j. Cancel. Therefore 2 mu minus 27 equal to 0. Therefore 2 mu equals to 27. Therefore mu equals to 27 divided by 2. Okay. Next, equate in the equate in the k coefficients. That is 2 lambda minus 6 equals to 0, 2 lambda equals to 6, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, therefore lambda equals to 3. This is the solution for problem number 5. You have to find lambda and mu. So this vector is given, this vector is given. When cross product came means you have to take determinant and expand the determinant, and you have to equate the I coefficient, j coefficient, k coefficient. I have to equate j coefficient and k coefficient. That is 2 mu minus 27 equals to 0. Therefore mu is equal to 27 by 2. 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore lambda equals to 0. Okay. This is a solution for problem number 5. Okay. So now I am concluding the class. Thank you everyone.